What's up, YouTube? Jason with Stone Mountain BBQ coming at you with another video, and it's late in the afternoon or the evening or whatever you want to call it, but I had to record this. I had to. I am doing my initial burn-in / test cook on my new Weber Kettle. There's my old charbroil Kettleman. It's still here. Don't worry. Don't worry. I still have the Kettleman. It's not going anywhere. Not for now, anyway. But here is this beauty. You all are all familiar with them. But we're going to cook some chicken thighs today. Or tonight, so to speak. And I just wanted to kind of jump on here real quick before we got the cook going. Because it might be the only time that you see outside while we're doing the cook. We're going to be using some of Kingsford's hickory charcoal. I've never used it before. It was like $5 at the grocery store, and I wasn't going to use a whole lot, so I thought it'd be cool. And it says chicken right there, so let's see what we can do. I'm going to probably use about half this bag. Got these little, so this is cool. I don't know anything about this, but normal charcoal briquettes don't look like that. It's like actual little shreds of hickory in there. Oh, and a top secret, super secret, like privileged information. I have a slow and sear, but it's just not here yet. So on the actual first cook, I'll probably be using that too. Don't tell anybody. So we're gonna go indirect on this, but I just want to get these coals lit so that it can get some smoke. I'm going to spray the inside with some canola oil just to make sure that everything's good and doesn't rust up. Probably should have took the ash grate. I'm really excited about this, guys. Probably should have took the ash grate out and sprayed it separately, but for this first cook, I think it'll be okay. Gonna get a wax cube going in here. Gonna get these things going. I'm not used to using a tripod either, so it's totally this is just a test video. So I feel like I'm really close to you. But we're gonna do a little wax cube on here to get these lit up, and then I'm gonna get the chicken going. Really not gonna show you all much about the chicken. I'm just gonna dump it in melted butter, put some Plowboys Yardbird seasoning on it, and just let them go in here. Pretty much all I'm gonna do. Just simple chicken thighs. Yeah, it's the Weber Kettle. It's the Weber Kettle Limited Edition Premium. Pretty excited. Y'all stick with me. We'll see what we can do. Hey guys, I'm back. What is that? So, in crazy turn of events, I walked back in the house to get my wax cubes, and that bad boy's sitting there. And I was like, well, that ain't supposed to be here. I just told the folks on YouTube that it wasn't here, and it's right there. The dogs are even excited about it. So we're gonna take all this charcoal out. Luckily I hadn't lit it yet, and we're just gonna go ahead and use the slow and sear and get this bad boy going. Let's go. I tell you what. I feel like there should be some kind of music playing. Like, oh yeah. I'll see that there. Here it is, guys. The slow and sear. I know a ton of you guys use these, but I hadn't, and I wanted to. And it was my birthday, like a week ago, and my aunt very, very graciously purchased this for me. Chris, I appreciate it. It means a lot to me. You didn't have to buy it, just so you know. But cool. Congratulations. I'm excited. I'm a kid in a candy store right now. So I got the Slow and Sear. We got a cool little magnet that we'll put on the side. It's got abcbarbecue.com. And then it looks like I got a sticker. That'll go on the truck. Right next to my Stone Mountain Barbecue sticker. And I got a how-to. But I've honestly watched a really lot of hours on this. I'm so excited. Alright guys. I got the wax cube down in the Slow and Sear with all the briquettes in there. Just wanted y'all to be here for the initial burn. Let's see what happens. It's kind of anticlimactic, but it's burning. So we're gonna let this burn. I'm gonna go ahead and spray everything down, and then I'm gonna get this chicken going. I'll bring y'all back whenever I'm putting chicken on. Hands are a little dirty. I'll wash them first. But I'll bring y'all back whenever we're putting the chicken on here. Adrenaline BBQ Co. That's awesome. I'm so happy to have that. And it's Weber Kettle. Hey, I got a Weber Kettle. Some people are gonna get mad at me. I've already had people tell me that I'm cheating on the Kettleman. Listen, that Kettleman taught me everything that I know. Okay, so I did it on that first. So I feel like I could do it on this. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. See y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, I've got my chicken thighs here. I've just been a mad dash trying to get all this done before the end of the day where daylight's not here anymore. But these things look awesome. This yard bird by Plowboys looks awesome. I've just melted 3 sticks of butter, and all I did was I took them out of the pack, trimmed a little bit of the excess skin off of there, flipped them over, dusted the back side, the skin side, the bone side, whatever you want to call it, with the yard bird, then laid them down inside the pan here, and then dumped my melted butter. And then once it kind of settled and I could figure out how far up it was, I just went ahead and dusted more of the yard bird on top of them. And like I said, they look really good. I'm excited about this. I don't know why. This hickory smoke from these hickory briquettes smells pretty awesome. So I'm excited. We're running, as far as the lid temperature, we're running right around 225. I don't have a probe yet to sit inside. I will be getting one soon because I want to be able to actually tell what I'm doing on this thing. But yeah, let's put these things on. There's a board sticking up right there. It's a lot of smoke. Let's go ahead and put these on here. See if I can figure out how to use this thing. There you go, guys. You want to take a look at this chicken? Let's look at it. So there you go. I can raise this thing. I can lower this thing. This tripod's turning out to be pretty cool too. There's our chicken. Got the smoke rolling. That Slow and Sear's doing good. David, I'm pretty excited to try this thing out, man, if you watch this. But, yeah. I will scoot these on up in there so the pan fits. Probably fold those edges in. Get the lid on here. And I don't know how long they'll go. We're just going to check them, probe them every once in a while. And we're going to glaze them at the end. I'm going to take them out of the foil and glaze them with some, probably some Rufus Teague. Or maybe some Caribou Q, Buffa Q. I don't know. I'll look at it and we'll see. See y'all back when we're taste testing. Guys, it's a day of firsts here at Stone Mountain Barbecue. Not only did I get a Weber Kettle, not only did I get an Adrenaline BBQ Co. Slow and Sear, but we're busting out the Barlow Crouch right here, right now today. Super excited. Y'all be sure to go check out Matthew and Martha over at Barlow Barbecue. I'll put a link to their channel down below. Talked to Matt the other day and I said, what should I cook first? And I'm not claiming this to be my first actual cook, because this is just some chicken thighs. And man, I don't know how you do this, dude. My knees are breaking. But we're probably going to do a pork butt on this weekend, or maybe even next. That's going to be our first one, because that's what Matt said I should probably try out to really figure out how the kettle works. So don't think I forgot about that, man. And I'm just happy to finally have this thing putting in the Barlow crouch. I'll holler back at y'all in a little bit. So guys, something that I was nervous about when I found out that Wifey had ordered the limited edition kettle is, you've seen all across YouTube and probably Google searches and things like that, that the first rounds of these, people were really complaining about the quality of the coating and things like that. And so I was nervous about that, as I should have been probably. But you know, I watched Justin over at Baby Back Maniac a whole bunch. I'll put a link to his channel down below. I'm sure you've heard of him. But I watch him a lot, and he is a die-hard Weber man. And now, me personally, I've never owned anything Weber, aside from the wax cubes. I mean, I've just never really been. I just bought what was economical or what was given to me, and so when I got into barbecue, you know, the Kettleman was a gift from my mother. This offset smoker, it was a gift from my wife for my birthday 2 years ago, and this again is a gift from my wife for my birthday this year. That bird really just scared me. So I was nervous about that. I was nervous about the quality, nervous that I was going to be upset, because the Kettleman, it's been great. It's put, you know, a lot of meat on the table, but it was a pain to put together. A lot of bolts, a lot of screws and things like that. I never expected this to be this easy to put together. Most of it was snapped together, but it's super sturdy. I give it a, you know, kind of a once over, checking out the quality of the coating and things like that. My dad, he's a body man. He's always done body works, and he's always been a perfectionist. So I've always, you know, vehicles we've bought, things like that, I've always checked, you know, the body work, the paint, how all that lines up. And honestly, other than, like, I can see a little bit of a, like a, what is it they call it? Not fish-eyed, but almost like the original black coating peeking through right here in the crevice. But that's just because it's hard to get coating to lay in the crevices here like you can on the top. Other than that, the legs, you know, I saw a lot of people where the little slip-ins for the legs, where you slip the legs into, you know, the coating was wore off of them, things like that. I haven't seen that issue. And honestly, the legs was the only issue that I had putting the thing together. Getting those little pins that you push that pop through to stay in place, that was really the biggest pain of putting this whole thing together. Had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little bolts or screws. And that's pretty much the only thing that I had to use any kind of tool for. Other than that, it kind of makes me wish that I'd bought one a long time ago, or had one bought for me. I mean, the wife bought it, so we kind of both bought it, but still yet, I'm super excited. I even wore my red shirt from a red kettle. I'm cheesy. Alright, this is a lot of talking, guys, I understand. Hope you enjoy the chicken here in a little bit. Alright. It's late, as usual, but these chicken thighs are done, guys. First cook on the Weber. I can't be more pleased with it. The thing ran great, especially with that slow and sear from Adrenaline BBQ Co. I was really shocked at how well it holds just 225. We're going on 4 hours total on these chicken thighs. Didn't get that crispy skin that I wanted, just because it was a test run, and I didn't want to get my temps really, really high. So I was kind of conservative on those. But these things look amazing. I mean, they just look good. Ended up seasoning them up with some Stubbs Sweet Heat, and it's just a good barbecue sauce that I really enjoy. So let's quit talking and let's get to tasting. Let's see if I can get some better light in here. They look a little bit dark on camera, but I don't know, it's not doing it justice. They're super hot still. That's good. That's really good. It's got a good smoky flavor from that hickory briquettes. Never used those before. Gives it a really good flavor. Definitely get that charcoal taste that everyone loves. But yeah, guys, this is a test run on my new Weber Kettle. I'm pretty excited about it. And yeah, we'll see what we can do with it. Y'all stick around. I'm drooling over here. Be sure to check out all my social media links down below. Be sure to check out all the channels below. And also, big shout out to Scott over at the Real Show Barbecue. That dude is awesome. He hooked me up with my new logo. You may have seen it whenever you clicked on the video. Scott, I appreciate it, man. Super nice guy. Be sure to go check out his channel. I'm going to put it down in the description box below, or you can just hit the little round thing over here somewhere with my greasy finger. Real Show Barbecue. He's the real deal. He's awesome. Good guy. Awesome to work with. Check his channel out. Y'all stick with me. We'll see what we can do. Thanks, guys. God bless.